This is Leroy's first bath. He's not too happy about it. Hey, Leroy. 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 Oh,
there we go. Watch a little wormer. Are you getting video of this?
Yeah. Yo, look at this guy. Turn him around. Turn him around.
You want to see a distraught little face?
Oh, it's a very pitiful
no.
little face. So pitiful. Oh my goodness. No, poor pitiful.
This is Buddy Welsh. This is Buddy Welsh. It's soap for the buddies.
Oh. Oh. This is not very exciting.
Chest. He looks like a little ferret. He looks like a little ferret.
Ferret Bueller.
This is definitely a problem now.
Ooh. Ow. Ow, Leroy.
His fur is so silky.